Whenever I make a cheese board, I love the addition of something sweet, just like quince paste or a homemade fruit log, just like this one. I'm going to be using some dried prunes, some dried figs, walnuts, and my spice of choice is some fennel seeds. In with the prunes, they've been pitted, and I like to use prunes because they're really, really sticky, so it's going to help this log stick together. Our dried figs. So we want an even portion of figs and prunes, and then another even portion of nuts. So I've got the walnuts here, some fennel. These are fennel seeds, and I have toasted them just so we get a more of an intense flavour of the fennel. Okay, lid goes on, and I'll blend this until it's really sticky and it's come together. Oh, that looks perfect. I love the speckles of walnut throughout that. So blade can come out and we can start rolling this into a log. So you'll need some Glad wrap, and we're just going to make 2 long pieces and just let them overlap. And we're just going to pile this sticky mixture into the centre. So if you wanted to, you could serve this straight away, just press it into a bowl and it's ready to go. But if you want it to be a little bit more firm, just like all those pastes that you get in the shops, this is what you do. Press it out, and then we're going to fold it over and fold it over again. Keep pressing it out and form that log with the Glad wrap. So press, press, press. Bring in the side, and we're going to tie and twist one end. You can see it makes quite a large log. We're just going to seal the other side and then into the fridge for a couple of hours. But you can make this up to 3 to 4 weeks before using it. It holds really nicely in the fridge. All right, this is firmed up nicely in the fridge, so we can unwrap it and we can cut a few little rounds off it. So a nice sharp knife, take that end bit off. You can see how nice and firm it's turned just from chilling it in the fridge. And we're going to add 3 or 4 of these rounds straight onto our cheese board. Just as long as you have lots of that cheese, crackers, and that beautiful dried fruit loaf, your friend's going to be very happy when they come over for that.